Hi guys, good morning. Look at you.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Nagsisimula na ang dilugig. Actually, hindi dilugig. Sisimula na ang struggle.
Oh my God! Struggle saan?
Sa init.
Sabi mo na mismo yung Queensland.
Namiss ko yung Queensland pero hindi yung init dito. Mainit na mainit.
Laki, grabe. Isang buong araw tayo dito. Saan tayo?
So, mag-start muna tayo dito on the right.
Sige, tara, kahit saan. Kahit pala buhaya, ayaw sa init, gusto sa lilim. Ayun yung isa.
Local species is the crocodilian. They have a series of the most and growls
pala yun.
and that they use to communicate with each other, especially during breeding season. I think it's over there.
Yan, sa middle.
Oh
my God! Ayan o, ipa isa.
Isa pa. Look at.
Ayan yung isa.
The species are the Hi, turtles. Tortoise. Hi.
Hi ka, hi. Okay, bye ka na, bye.
Bye, tortoise.
Bye. Wow!
Oh, wow!
Kinain yung dinosaur.
Oh my God!
Kinain ako. Yeah? Come on, sit down. Sit down? Tail. Just in time.
Just in time. Wow.
Their eggs are green. They lay an egg, it's gonna be green. I think. Why is there a chicken trespassing? Why is there chicken trespassing?
Meron din pala water park dito. Wala tayong dalang extrang damit. Let's go. No!
Crocodile pa daw. Ayun pa yung crocodile. Fantasia. Naging ano ay?
Elephant Asia.
Parang ito ni souvenir shop, hindi ba?
Diyan muna tayo sa aircon.
My first time seeing an elephant, I think.
In real life?
Oh yeah, not in videos. Ayan!
Can you see the elephant? Ayun, elephant.
Look at it! Hi, elephants!
So guys, punta kami dun sa lugar kung saan mag-show yung mga crocodile.
Welcome to the
slower today, Momo. But he's looked onto my face. What the
Kill
food?
that chicken!
Wow!
That was a big bite!
That was a big one.
Quite slow, a lot scarier than it should be. Good catch, mate. Now you can see that tail warming up there. He really wants to
Oh, that was a big
have a go at me. Get him out another one here. So that's the same. So if you are in Northern Australia,
Nice, that's a better stroke. Forward edge. Yeah, that's flat out. For the big fella from the hard side.
May kinakabahan.
Give it up.
Tapos na, guys. Good, Joy?
yes!
Finish.
from a very early
Finish.
he had one
Nice show. Ayan o, Ada, can you see the rhino?
Can you see the giraffe? I thought they were extinct. I thought the last dinosaur was
Did you enjoy? Yeah. Did you see the giraffe? Sobrang init. Buti na lang meron kaming bus na nasakyan pabalik dun sa entrance. Actually, meron namang nagro-rotate na bus sa buong park. Kaya lang matagal yung pagitan ng mga travel times nila. So, ito parang nandun lang siya nakapark. Nag-offer lang na daling kami sa entrance. So, yun. Thank God, hindi namin kailangan maglakad pabalik. Done na kami. Tapos na kami sa Australia Zoo.
Take a slight left turn onto Millennium Street.
Nakakapagod pero may pupuntahan pa kami isa pang lugar. Kasi nandito na lang din kami. So, might as well go to Maleny and Montville. Huwag ka na mag-sleep, Ada, ha? We're gonna go down soon. No! Okay? Okay? Sobrang mahal naman ng orasan na to.
Oh my God!
Grabe. $15,000.
Oh my God!
17,900. So, medyo mas mura-mura. 6,900. Be careful, okay? Ali. What can you see there? What's that? Look! Ang cute nila! Ang liliit pero mahal, no?
Oh, $160 to eh. Ito $160. Ito $125. Ito yata, parang pwede na to.
Sobrang liit.
Ay, cute nga eh. May babae.
Ay, grabe ang dami pala dito. chocolate dots.
Just cookies and cream. Yeah.
Yeah. Yung damit niya, Labs, hindi nakasama. Wow! Oh, lamig.